This video is about making a very popular type of pierogi. That is fried pierogi with a fried onion garnish. The video is in our series of how to make pierogi of all forms. To see all our videos and to be notified when we make new videos, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell. The pierogi being fried in this video have a filling made of ground pork spiced to our taste. The pierogi were made with the pierogi form, information about which you can get below the video. We start the process by sauteing some onions in butter. We want them ready before the pierogi finish frying so they can be immediately added. Make enough onions that you can add some to the serving plate, plus a side dish with onions that people can add extra as they wish. With the onion finished, fry the pierogi in butter until the sides are golden brown. I will speed up the video to save you time. Once they are golden brown, remove them from the pan and place them on individual serving plates, garnish, and present your creations. Alternatively, add them to a large plate and add garnish. People then can take what they wish and add extra garnish if they wish. You can, of course, add other garnishes and sauces. We have a large selection of recipes for these in our recipe book, information which you can find below the video. Now please leave your comments below. Subscribe and ring the bell. And likes are always appreciated. If you would like to have any other information about pierogi, tell us what you would like to know in the comments box. We will, if possible, make a video to answer your question. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in making pierogi. And please remember to hit that subscribe button that you see in the upper left-hand corner of this end screen. Have a nice day.